In this video, we're going to walk you through how to take apart the interior of a 2021 Dodge Charger to remove the headliner. And today we're taking out the headliner to install some starlights in the ceiling, so we'll briefly talk about that process as well. Alright, you want to narrate?
A-pillar take apart.
What are we doing this for?
We're about to go ahead and pull out the A-pillar for a Charger. 2020, 1 or 2, I can't know.
You just stick your fingers in and give it a nice pull. And then it's going to have these sliding clips. It doesn't show too well on the camera, but you're going to want to push down where my finger is here. And it's going to slide out. So it'll be facing this way. Does the camera show it? Yeah, it'll be facing this way. You're going to squeeze this tab and pull it out.
Alrighty.
Alright, we're taking apart the sun visor.
There we go.
I'm going to slide this out. And get a pry tool. Come from the back and just separate it. That's all there is. And then you're going to have Torx.
So you're going to want a T20? Cock and socket. There you go.
Huh? I think this is our drill.
No, Ahmed has it. Oh, Ahmed has it.
Where is it?
You pull.
No talking for a moment, please.
So we're going to go ahead and pry. That's inappropriate.
Sorry about that.
Alright, pry that.
Just pry the cap. Alright.
There you go.
Did they come out? Yeah.
Huh? Alright, handlebar.
So there's just these caps. You want to remove the caps. You want to remove it gently, not like that first one. This is
T27. Just want to go ahead and remove that. Alright. Alright, B-pillar now.
Yeah,
So what we do is we just unhook it from the trim because there's a very big gap. There's no need.
It's very easy.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
All
It's
that.
out.
Same thing with the handlebar. Just want to go ahead and take off the caps.
What?
Boom.
One cap. Second cap. Pull it out. It falls out.
And there's a wire.
There's a wire too for the light.
Yeah. You want to be gentle so you don't break nothing.
You want to be gentle so you don't break anything.
The wire's a little tight in there. You want to loosen it up gently, as we mentioned. And then there's a little tab here. You pull the tab down and then slide it out.
There you go.
So here's a tab right here. You're going to want to pull that down.
Alright, here's the C-pillar. Same concept. You want to really grab and pull.
Get your fingers in. And just pull out. And you have that same...
The same mechanism that's on the front and in the back too. Yep, there we go.
That's it. Alright, we're just undoing the clips in the back of the headliner. You just pull it out. Sound like bro. You just want to get your hands in and give it a nice pull.
And the headlight is free from the back. Recording, right?
Yeah. Just loosening the clips from the front.
There's just 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's this wire. You just push down.
Push down on the tab and it should slide out. Thumbs up. And then we just need to remove this screw, and then the headliner should be free.
Torx. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Auto class.
It's a 220.
And the headliner is free. So we're gonna undo the visor wire. You just need to lift up this tab here and then pull it out. So you're just gonna lift this tab with a tool, and then you should be able to just pull out the wire. So we're gonna do this wire on the front passenger. So you're gonna pull that tab out, the red tab out, and then you're gonna squeeze and pull it out. So you slide this red tab out, and then you squeeze it and pull it out. All right, so we're taking out the chair.
This is like a 14 CRV Torx socket, I think. The screw on the chair, there's 4 of them. So just do it in each corner, break it loose with the ratchet, and after that you can go ahead and go in it with impact. And that's pretty much it.
Now he's loosening the back. So there's 2 in the back as well. And then he's gonna go at it with impact. Now he's doing the front.
And from there, there's 2 wires underneath the chair. You push this button down, and you pull down. This black latch will go up, and this one, this yellow button, there. And the chair should be free. You can go ahead and pull out the car.
So now we're getting ready to take the chair outside the car. Just turning it on its side. All right, and it's out. All right, so now taking the headliner out. Should be able to do it with even just one person. Boom. And it's free. Want to put the bottom side first. Put the top part in like that. It really takes one person, but we have the other person as support. And the other person is going inside. He's going to really navigate and try to help him coordinate it in. But we've done this single person multiple times. As you see, he's just really helping push it in. Then you want to curve it a little bit at that point, and then there. Once you see that, headliner is done. There you go. All right, this is how we set up the fibers for the Starlights. So we have the fibers here running down the passenger side, and we're at the C panel. So it's gonna run behind this pillar here. It's gonna come, you can see it's coming down, and then it's coming behind this. We have this taken apart, and it's coming behind it, around here, and it's going into the trunk. And then from the trunk back here, the kit is gonna sit right back in here. And then we're gonna wire it by tapping into the fuse when you lift down here in the trunk, you lift this, and then you'll find the fuses, and we're gonna tap into the fuses. We're gonna run the wire from the kit behind this to the fuses here. You know?
Hey boys, welcome. This is Starlit HQ. Let me show you the process, you know, when you don't have a propane tank and the gas price is too high. Grab your local Amazon box. You can't find one in the front of the Porsche, all right? Go ahead and fold it up a little bit. Now, you know, with coronavirus, you can find some free hand sanitizer at a local mosque. To grab some of that. Bedazzle a little bit real quick. This is your base for the fire fluid, all right? So you're just gonna come here, slide it up, instantly catches some fire. Come here with your lint. Add another piece right on top of it. Let this catch on fire. There you go. All right, here's the knife now, okay? So, want to get the knife all nice and toasty now. As soon as this is done, probably give it like, you know, a couple minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Start realizing that the knife starts getting hotter. Then you can cut your fibers, all right? All right, you see that? You see the smoke from the bottom? That just shows you. Shows you how well built this was. You see the flame gets bigger now. And thank God we don't have any one of those fire extinguisher stuff up here, so we don't have to get a ticket or anything, but hey, it is what it is. All right. All right, prepare the, give me a couple more, just let me get this warm up a little bit. All right. It's completely safe to do. Don't have to have anything. All right, bismillah. Look at that, clean cut. Show them that. Doesn't get better than that. Then you gotta close the fire, so just wanna. Completely safe and friendly. Nice.